looking for something that was easily implemented. I wanted my team to be able, in an ideal world, to build the workflows. We were looking for something, again, in an ideal world, which really didn't exist before ThinkSmart, at least to the best of my knowledge. It was something that was more visual, right? We wanted to be able to see the workflows and use more of a drag and drop kind of platform.
Our ThinkSmart journey started with a conversation with Connie, Brenton, and specifically, and with other Clock members in general. And I remember distinctly having this conversation about building a workflow that touched the client's legal operations group and touched our lawyers, and Connie saying to me, "You don't have to build it," because I said to her, we've got development experience, we've got developers, we can build, I think, anything. And she said, "You don't have to build it. I'm going to get Paul Herner on the phone and we're going to use ThinkSmart." When you get a 40-year paralegal and a second-year associate in a room and they're both speaking the same language and looking at transforming a process because of the platform that they're using, it's exciting and it's contagious, and working with ThinkSmart has just been transformative in that way.
The various workflows that we implemented had an immediate high return on investment from a satisfaction standpoint as well as a headcount standpoint.
One of the best things that we've got going for us at this stage of the game is that we have workflows where we've got a year's worth of data, where we've got a process in place but not a system. And now we've transformed the process, we've layered ThinkSmart throughout, and a year from now, I think we're gonna have a really interesting story to tell, because we're gonna have these two data sets to compare.
I would like to say that the collaboration and support from the ThinkSmart team that we've worked with, including the executive leadership, has been amazing. Whenever we have questions or issues, they get back to us same day. They participate in a lot of our design sessions. They are there to answer all the questions of our internal forms designers that are learning the skill through working with the ThinkSmart staff. And when it comes to a desire to have enhancements to the product, we've actually been at the table with an entire team, including the CIO, the CEOs, and some of the key designers, in order to get a collaborative answer to the best approach.
If somebody asked me what the feature set or the value, the key reason for moving to ThinkSmart or this type of solution would be, there's a number of them. First, I would say it's a game changer in terms of automating the processes and platforms, allowing you to conduct business quicker, minimizing the amount of time, effort, and energy that people on your team and teams around you spend on activities that currently don't need their input or only need a keystroke, avoiding using your email inbox as your repository of record and your workflow solution, not optimal. ThinkSmart allows you to rapidly build. We talk about it in terms of workflows, but I think if anybody else looked at what we've done, they would say we're building tools. So it allows you to build solutions, tools that are based upon workflows and tie into existing data sources in a way that you can't otherwise. So from an internal client satisfaction standpoint, that would be something I would say people should be paying attention to or benefit from. There's cost savings, and there's a fun element to it too. The team enjoys building in this environment and solving problems in ways that are efficient and effective and allow them to, quite frankly, own and manage that process over time.